Students, welcome to Google Class. Hope you all are safe and well at home. Yesterday we learned about adverb clauses of time. Today we will learn about tenses, that which tense we have to use in main clause and which tense we have to use in subordinate clause. So let's get started. When the main clause is in the future, the verb in the subordinate clause is in the present tense. Look over these examples. I will tell you when I am ready. In this sentence, main clause is in the future, so the verb of the subordinate clause will be in present tense. Bring me the letter as soon as it arrives. Students, you can notice here, simple present tense has been used. With singular pronouns, we have to use s and es in present simple tense. And with plural pronouns, we don't use s and es. He will not do anything until he is told what to do. Students, as I told you about simple present tense, that s and es used with singular pronouns, and we don't use s and es with plural pronouns. So here we have to add simple present tense of the verbs given. These verbs are given here. We have to use or add simple present tense. You can have the book when you bring the money. I shall go for a walk when the weather is cooler. When the clock strikes, it will be 6 o'clock. We shall not begin until he arrives. As soon as I hear the results, I will tell you. Please come and see us before you go. As soon as the work is finished, I shall leave. We cannot start the meal until my father comes home. We can have a rest when we reach home. A meal will be waiting when you return. So students, what you have to do in homework is, you have to solve your book at page 95 and learn about simple present tense. Thank you.